Hi everyone, welcome back to the Scriptcase macros course. This video is going to look at the scchanged macro. So my name is Nate Carpenter and I'm the Scriptcase instructor leading this course. So let's go ahead and get started and look at some of what this does. So this macro allows us to determine if a field value is changed on refresh. So on forms if you're validating, on refresh if you're on a control application. So here's the documentation. Here is, you just pass through the name of the field, and we can do it on these three different applications. I'm going to do it on a control form. I'm going to copy this example and take it over the Scriptcase so I have something to get started with. So here I have a control application. Let me go ahead and run it so you can see what it looks like. Very basic application here. I have one field, name, and we're going to track the changes on that. And then I have a checkbox that reloads the form. So when I check that box, it reloads the form. If you're not sure how to do that, the way I did that, if I go to fields, into my checkbox field here, and wait for that to load. And down here, if you look down at the bottom, I have that checkbox checked, reload form when changed. So now we're going to go to events and the on refresh event right here. I'm going to go ahead and copy that code from the documentation here. And we're going to use the full name field. So that's the field over on the left. So full name is the name of that. And I'm going to do a Scriptcase alert. So I'm going to do that SC alert instead of echoing it out, make it look a little bit nicer. And I'm just going to echo out that the name field has changed. Just a basic message, so you could use this to maybe trigger some other actions, but for now we're just going to output a message so that we can see that it's actually catching when it has changed. So we need to run this form now, this control application now, and we first need to put an initial value into that field. So I'm going to type in my name, Nate, and then I'm going to click OK so that that is registered as the initial value of that field. So if I click OK on that, it's going to come around here, and then I'm going to change it to something else here. So I'm going to change it just to Nate2. Check the box and it'll check if it has changed, and as you can see it has in fact changed. So that's how you use the scchanged macro to determine if a field value has changed in Scriptcase.